Money pull up. Big up on yourself, nice clean people. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, a big welcome. Tonight I'm just here holding a vibe, and I want you to hold a vibe with me. So watch the video, enjoy, and let's do this right after this. Ooh, babe. Oh, God. Yes, something good. Pretty girls are not so in no case. Hey. Your body not soft like a toothpaste. I'ma love it so bad. My own place. You protect my mind like a hey. No apologies Saturday, you see me? I'm going with a vibe. What you say? Really? What you not say? The unruly boss. Big up on the nice clean self, my people. Big up, big up, big up. Stay safe. Stay sweet. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you had fun. Well, remember that I love you and God loves you. So bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more